Now we're going to look at how to find the equation of this line. And here we are talking about equations that go through the origin. And in an equation, I always have an x and a y, and it is written as y is equal to mx. This is the equation of a line through the origin. This is important. It needs to go through the origin. We're going to look at general straight lines a bit later on. Now, in our case here, x represents the number of steps Jada takes, represents the number of steps Jada takes. And y represents the number of steps Noah takes. That's what we have established here. X were Jada's steps, y were Noah's steps. And all we need now, and we have done that and found that already, is that m here. And this m represents the gradient. So m is the gradient. And we have found the gradient here already in our last video. Remember, gradient equals rise over run. So we have here rise over run, that's our gradient. And we started somewhere and simply counted the steps. Okay, so we could have done here 2 4 steps and 2 4 5 steps up. And we got our gradient of, sorry, this was 5 over 4. We could have also counted 10 steps, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of Jada's steps resulted in, 8 of Jada's steps, 2, 4, 6, 8 resulted in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of Noah's steps. So that's how we found the gradient. And all we now need to do is substitute our gradient, our m, into this equation here. This is our m. So we need to replace our m by that gradient. So here we have y is equal to, our gradient in simplest form is 5 over 4x. And that's the equation of this particular straight line.